In this video, I'll show you a simple 4-step process to create a calorie deficit for fat loss, even if you are just starting out. Fat loss comes down to eating fewer calories than your body needs, but doing it incorrectly leads to hunger, low energy, and finally quitting. Step 1 is finding your maintenance calories. Maintenance calories are simply the amount of calories your body needs to stay at the same weight. To estimate this, we use your body weight and multiply it by a formula which is shown on the screen based on your activity level. This number is not exact. Every method is only an estimate. We start here and adjust based on the progress that you're making. Step 2 is creating a calorie deficit. Calorie deficit simply means eating fewer calories than your maintenance level. The biggest mistake people make is cutting calories too aggressively. 250 to 500 calorie deficit is safe, sustainable, and effective for fat loss. Going lower than this often leads to hunger, low energy, and poor adherence. Step 3 is prioritizing protein. Once your deficit is set, this becomes the most important step: protein intake. Aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg of body weight. If you're new to high protein intake, start with 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram and build up gradually. Protein helps preserve muscle mass and keeps you full for longer, which makes staying in a calorie deficit much easier. The remaining calories can come from carbs and fats. Step 4 is tracking your calories, at least in the beginning. Calories are easy to underestimate. When we eyeball portions, calories add up very quickly without us realizing it. Use a food scale initially to understand portion sizes. You don't need to track forever, just long enough to build awareness. You can use apps like MyFitnessPal or even a simple food diary. One bonus step is eating balanced meals. Fat loss should not feel like punishment. Cutting out carbs is unnecessary and one of the most common mistakes. A balanced meal includes protein, carbs, fats, and fiber. This applies whether you eat at home or at a restaurant. Let's quickly recap. Find your maintenance calories, create a 250 to 500 calorie deficit, prioritize protein, track your intake, and eat balanced meals. If you do this consistently, fat loss becomes predictable. If this video helped you understand calorie deficit clearly, like the video, subscribe, and share with someone who's trying to lose fat. I'll see you in the next one.